Let's make an omelette with cheese. Crack some eggs. Splash of milk. Salt. Pepper. Whisk it with a fork. En garde. Bam 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 bam. Add some olive oil to a hot pot and pour in your mixture. I had a little accident, so meet my new lid. Reduce the heat to medium and cover with a lid. Tear a slice of cheese to pieces. When you got a block, just use a grater. Have a look, and when it's halfway set, like this, just add the cheese to the omelette. Cover up again. Like and subscribe. After a while, it should look-ish like this, and we now try to... That's the color we were looking for. Again, cover it up, wait a little bit, and your omelette is done. Now just slide on the plate. Now the most important part. Like and subscribe.